Followers don't pay the bills. Community does? Let's face it. We've all seen brands and creators obsess over follower counts like they're trophies. But here's the truth. Those numbers mean nothing if there's no real connection. Your real power lies in transforming followers into a thriving community and then monetizing that community with impact. So how do you make this shift? Step 1, stop chasing, start attracting. Followers come and go, but a community, they stick around. Focus on attracting people who resonate with your vision. Forget about passive scrollers who just hit like and move on. Step 2, build for connection, not consumption. Engagement is key. Ask questions, spark discussions, and make your audience feel heard. A community thrives on interaction, not just views. Step 3, give more than you take. Before you sell, educate, and inspire, deliver value first. When your audience sees your expertise in action, trust builds naturally. Step 4, monetization through trust, not hard sales. A community that trusts you will pay for access, insights, and transformation. Whether it's premium content, coaching, or collaborations, they want to invest in you. Remember this, followers don't equal community, but community equals revenue. Build an audience, build a loyal community, build a movement. The brands that truly win create spaces where people feel connected, valued, and empowered. So are you turning your followers into a community? Or are they just watching? Drop a comment and let's talk. Repost if you know someone who needs to hear this. If you're ready to transform your digital journey, BIZBoost Master Strategy is where you must start now.